Randomizing questions helps create different versions of the same quiz, which avoids predictability. If you already had question pools containing sequences of questions, you can easily create a random quiz by using random slides. To insert a random slide, go to the Home tab or the Insert tab. Click the arrow on the New Slide button, and select Random Slide. Besides, you can also simply go to the Questions tab and click Random Slide. If you wish to create a random quiz with 5 questions, you have to add 5 random slides. By default, all the random slides are linked to the first pool as Geography pool here. Now I want these 2 slides to be 2 random music questions, so I go to the Properties pane, then select Music from the Linked Pool drop-down list. Do the same for the last random slide to make it a math question. Let's see our result. Here, the first 2 questions are linked to the Geography pool, these 2 questions are from the Music pool, and the last question is from the Maths pool. Each time I refresh the browser, these questions are randomly taken from each correspondingly linked pool. That's it.